All right, so delta math features of exponents and logs. So just to review, they give us this function, and it doesn't say the word log, and it is an exponential because it's got that little x up there. So we are going to say it's an exponential function. Exponential functions have asymptotes that are horizontal, but you can see it here. Like this is going to keep going out. This line here. I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing at. You can, but take my word for it. I'm pointing at the green line going down. Oh, wait, let's do it this way. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. So anyway, that's not an asymptote because it's going to keep heading to the left as it goes down. However, that one is an asymptote on the top there. So it does have a horizontal asymptote, a line that it approaches, but it never gets to or crosses. And I already put in 6, so I didn't have to walk over to my keyboard. But you can see that that's 6, and it is at y equals 6. Because that's the one y line. The range of the function, which is the y values that it can be, and this is weird, but it starts at negative infinity. That's the lowest this thing possibly goes, and we read low to high. So it's the range, the y values, Roy, is negative infinity, and it tops out at 6, because that's as high as it goes. Okay, so range is the output, it's the y. The bottom is negative infinity, the top is 6. Okay, it is increasing or decreasing? Well, it's going up because we read from left to right, so it is increasing on its domain, meaning as you move more and more positive on the x values, this thing is increasing. It does not look like it's increasing here, but it is minutely. So it is increasing on its domain of, and the x's are all real numbers because even though it's very gradual on the left side, it is approaching negative infinity, and on the right side, it's obviously going to go on forever. So its domain would be negative infinity to positive infinity. The end behavior on the left side, and you just have to look at the left side over here, the left. What's the end behavior? It's going to the left and it's going down. So as x is approaching negative infinity, because x is going to go on forever, y is approaching negative infinity. It's going down into the left. And on the right side, as x is approaching positive infinity, y, I missed that. If as x is approaching positive infinity, y is getting closer and closer and closer to 6. It's not going any higher than that. So we're going to say 6. And then we're going to click submit answer and say, we believe in our work. So there's your horizontal asymptote, okay? That's my coffee machine. That's exponential. And let me do I was hoping they'd give me a log max. Okay, good. So here we've got a logarithmic function. You'll notice it's multiplied by 2. It's moved over 8. The asymptote's moved over 8 to the left, blah, blah. And it is a logarithmic function, so I'm going to hit log. It's got a vertical asymptote this time, because logs have vertical asymptotes, and you can see that it approaches the line negative 8 but never gets there. This is going to keep going up forever. Yeah, okay, good. So with a vertical asymptote at, now vertical asymptotes are at x equals, because that's the line x equals negative 8. So I am going to have to walk over to my keyboard and type in negative 8. I don't do well upside down. And it didn't take. Okay. Now the range of the function, range is the output is the y. The y values are forever. It's going to go up forever and it's going to go down forever. So that's negative infinity to positive infinity. Now it is, as we go from the left to the right, it is increasing. It is increasing on its domain, meaning left to right is the y values, and it's increasing on its domain of. Now, it's going to go on forever? No, it's not. Whoa. It stopped at the negative 8 asymptote, right? So x starts at -8. It never gets there, so it's an open parentheses. And it ends at forever or infinity. So it's domain of -8 to infinity, right there. The end behavior on the left side is easy. It's going to go on its domain, it's going to go forever in the x direction, and it's going to go up forever. So, on the left, wait, I'm sorry, that was the right side. Hang on a second. It's end behavior on the left side. That's this one. Yeah. Okay. So as x approaches -8, because on the left side, it's approaching -8 from the right. It's coming in from the right, but it's approaching on the left. Okay, so, and y is going to go down forever as we get closer and closer to 8. So y is going to approach negative infinity. And the end behavior on the right side, my real right side, is going to be as x approaches infinity, because there's nothing going to stop it over there. Y is going up, so y is also approaching infinity. Okay, I hope that helps. And if that did not help, send me a specific question. I know one person already did. I don't know if I answered that question, but I will look. All right, more stuff coming. Yeah, stop sharing.